Howdy, howdy, howdy! You're listening to the Marketing Thinkers Podcast, the show that gives you the hottest details and wildest wonders in digital marketing. And for today's episode, we're gonna ask you this question. How can you land your dream collaboration by negotiation? And for today's episode, we are joined by our special guest again, Sheena from Sysmars Mangalenya. Let's get right into it! Mars, welcome back to another episode. Parang ano lang to, yung one-liner natin, another day, another
food trip na naman.
Ito, another day, another episode na naman.
Yes.
Right. So first question, dahil ang pinag-uusapan natin ay becoming a negotiation ninja, can you tell us some of the dream collaborations na nakuha mo na? And then sino pa yung mga gusto mong makuha na collaborate?
I am a fan of this milk tea shop kasi. And then, mga around April or May, yung favorite food vlogger ko naman, nakita ko siyang nag-feature niya tong milk tea shop. So, sabi ko, sana all talaga, kasi he's not from Pampanga, pero yung favorite milk tea shop ko, feature niya. And then, you know what? Last month, nag-reach out yung owner sa akin na i-feature ko yung milk tea shop din. So, for me, it's very fulfilling, kasi parang kailan lang ako nagsana all, tapos, after ilang months, nag-reach out nga yung owner sa akin. And then, some of my dream collaborations. Then, wala naman akong particular talaga na dream collaborations. Basta, ang goal ko kasi is to help businesses then to grow online.
Do you have like certain criteria or factors na pinipili or sineselect mo? Like, filtering them out. Kung sino ba yung mga gusto mo talagang i-collaborate or meron ka bang rules in selecting them?
Ayan. So, of course, food vlogger tayo. So, yung mga ina-eye ko talaga or mga mostly sineselect ko are yung mga related sa food. Just like restaurants, coffee shops, food establishment, whether it's big or small. Ayun. Mostly ganun yung mga sineselect natin for our future collaborations.
Ano naman yung approach mo na ito gusto ko itong makolab?
Mostly kasi of my collaborations were invites.
Okay.
Ganun kasi yung mga collabs ko. Pero kung meron man, siguro yung mga small business owners na feeling ko may, alam mo yung kulang sila sa online visibility. So mostly ganun yung approach ko whenever I select or identify yung mga potential collaborations.
Wow. So instead na ikaw yung lumalapit, sino yung...
Mostly na mga collabs.
Yun yung sana ko. Diba? Well, of course, dito sa food blogging, content creation, di naman natin madedeny na it's sort of a business transaction. So, ano ba yung negotiation process mo to ensure na it's a win-win situation na both of you will benefit from it?
Okay, so every collaborations naman is mutually beneficial. So, on our end, mas nagiging wide yung reach namin. So, sa akin, I can reach my target audiences, while on the other hand naman is yung kanilang target markets. And then sa akin, may chance na makagain ako ng new followers, while sa kanila naman is yung mga new customers nila.
Okay, so, for example, meron talagang, may matigas ng ulo, hindi mo mapend yung gusto nila, or hindi akma yung gusto nila sa gusto natin. So, how do you bend that sa mga negotiation?
Siguro, may i-share na lang ako, pero ito kasi yung so far, naging challenge ko na collab. So, ayan. Kasi may nag-reach out sa akin. So, I'm a food vlogger, diba? So, yung business niya is a diagnostic laboratory. So, iniisip ko talaga, paano ko mako-connect yung niche ko dun sa diagnostic laboratory na yon. And then, bigla akong naalala, buti na lang din, may mga, nagbabasa ako lagi ng mga feedbacks, ganyan. Lagi silang nagtatanong, oy, kamusta na yung sugar mo? Lagi kang kumakain, yung cholesterol mo, kain ka ng kain. Sabi ko, eto, pwede kong i-connect si Sysmars, yung pag-food vlog ko, dun sa diagnostic laboratory na yun. So, ayun, at least, diba, kahit hindi siya talaga, ng niche ko, yung, could you imagine, food vlogger ako, tapos magpipicture ako ng diagnostic laboratory. Pero still, na-connect natin siya. So, ayun, okay naman yung naging collaborations.
But, are you still open sa mga non-food na businesses to collaborate?
Yes, as of now, nagiging flexible na ako. Hindi lang ako more on the food. So, last time, meron na akong staycation. Ayun, ngayon nga, diagnostic laboratory na tayo. And of course, open na din tayo sa ibang, sa ibang brands na hindi part ng mga food or hindi related sa food.
Oh, that's good to hear. So if you're not a restaurant establishment, open pa rin si Sis Mars to
Yes.
collaborate with you. Okay, so you started with the niche, diba? Na-establish mo yung sarili mo as in the food vlogging, pero may mga ano din di ba? Yung mga out of brand sometimes na nagiging partner natin. So how do you tailor or customize your content na mag-aalin pa rin siya dun sa Sis Mars na brand and then satisfied pa rin si collaborator?
So yun, just like what happened nga dun sa collaboration ko na yun. Ako kasi, whenever I do collab, lagi talaga ako nagtatanong sa owner, which is actually a big help for me. Para hindi rin ako mahirapan sa pagko-conceptualize ng content. And very important din yun. Kasi at least, hindi ko madidisappoint si owner once na naging okay na yung, natapos ko na yung output niya. So, magiging okay siya. So, asking din sa mga owners is such a big help for us din. Para din maging smooth lahat pag ginawa na yung collaboration.
So, key takeaway, again, you have to know what you are as a brand. Okay? And then be respectful dun sa mga na-collaborate, no? Hindi porke you have many followers, you have established your name on social media.
Wag lalaki ang ulo.
Don't be a diva.
Yes.
Don't be a diva. Tama yun. And of course, it should always be a mutual benefit for both parties.
Yes.
Kasi still a transaction, you have to give and take.
Yeah.
Masasatisfy ka and ma-achieve yung goal mo.
Yeah.
And at the same time, yung partner mo, makuha din yung gusto niya and yung original na goal niya nung nakipag-collaborate siya sa'yo. Alright, you have just listened to the Marketing News Podcast powered by Emerge.
And of course, thank you so much, El Caballo, for having us today.
Thank you so much, El Caballo. And if you want to experience their horseback riding, you want to dine at their coffee at their restaurant, you can come here inside Clark Clifford Zone, right? So that's a wrap for today's episode.
Yay. Thank you so much.
Smart. Hope to see you again. And again, this is your marketing for Jim. And remember, omnichannel is the way to go. See you next time.
Bye!